Artificial intelligence technology in retail. Artificial intelligence, AI, technology is revolutionizing the retail industry in a multitude of ways. With the advent of AI, retailers can now analyze vast amounts of data to gain insights into customer behavior, preferences, and trends. This has led to the development of new tools and techniques that enable retailers to personalize the shopping experience for their customers, improve inventory management, and optimize pricing strategies. One of the most significant benefits of AI in retail is its ability to personalize the shopping experience. By analyzing customer data, AI algorithms can create personalized product recommendations and promotions that are tailored to each customer's interests and preferences. This not only enhances the shopping experience for customers but also helps retailers to increase customer loyalty and retention. AI technology is also being used to improve inventory management in retail. With AI-powered predictive analytics, retailers can forecast demand for products and optimize their inventory levels accordingly. This helps retailers to reduce inventory carrying costs, minimize stockouts, and improve their overall supply chain efficiency. Another area where AI is making a significant impact in retail is pricing optimization. With AI-powered dynamic pricing algorithms, retailers can adjust prices in real time based on factors such as demand, supply, and competitor pricing. This helps retailers to maximize their profits while also remaining competitive in the market. AI is also being used to enhance the in-store experience for customers. With AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants, retailers can provide personalized customer service and support to customers in real time. This not only improves the shopping experience for customers but also helps retailers to reduce their customer service costs. Despite the numerous benefits of AI in retail, there are also some potential drawbacks that need to be considered. One of the biggest concerns is the impact of AI on jobs in the retail industry. As more retailers adopt AI technology, there is a risk of job displacement and the need for reskilling and upskilling of the workforce. Furthermore, there are also concerns around data privacy and security. With AI systems collecting and analyzing vast amounts of customer data, there is a risk of data breaches and misuse of personal information. It is, therefore, essential for retailers to ensure that they have robust data privacy and security policies in place to protect their customers' data. One of the most exciting developments in AI technology in retail is the use of computer vision. Computer vision is a subset of AI that enables machines to analyze and understand visual data, such as images and videos. In retail, computer vision is being used to create more immersive and interactive shopping experiences for customers. For example, some retailers are using computer vision to create virtual try-on experiences for customers. By analyzing a customer's facial features and body measurements, AI algorithms can create a 3D model of the customer and superimpose virtual clothing items onto their image. This allows customers to see how clothing items will look on them before making a purchase. Computer vision is also being used to enhance the in-store experience for customers. For example, Some retailers are using AI-powered cameras to track customer traffic patterns and identify areas of the store that receive the most foot traffic. This information can then be used to optimize store layouts and product placements to maximize sales. Another